intentions today. Actually, this video is after we fished, so we're gonna go through the footage and all that. Show y'all all that we did.
Should have been here.
Yeah, y'all should have been here.
You missed one, didn't you?
Oh yeah, they definitely did. Out here with Captain Marcus.
Yes, sir.
On Bad Intentions Charter out of Savannah. We're gonna see if we can do it today. We got Chris and Alton, and we're gonna try to put them in the boat today. All right, checking out for now. Got fish on. Marcus fighting a big one. See what he is there. So big.
That water in it. I see that fish.
Strong.
It's a big one.
It's a big one there.
Oh, don't be sneaky over there.
It's a good sized drum there.
Thank you, sir.
All right. In the boat. Man. Yeah, that's pretty good size there. All right.
We'll get a picture with him.
All right. It's probably about 12 pounds, or?
Yeah, 10, 12 pounds.
Big old drum. Yep.
You got me 20, under 27? Felt good on that little pole, didn't you?
Yeah, he did. He was real big.
Oh yeah.
Can't do much better than that. 26 and 40.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, sheephead. All right. What's the size on them? Let's get. Oh, okay. I'm thinking it was 15. Was it 12?
14 in Carolina.
14.
This is the Carolina side of the river. He'll definitely make 14 inches.
All right. Sheephead.
But I knew I heard her crash. I mean, I stopped finding blood and I just walked in the woods to to where they put their trash can on the curb. And
Sheephead.
I just happened
In
to
the boat.
walk up on her, and I was like, oh, there she is. Then I walk up and I was like,
It's too small though. What you got to do?
14. Worst case, we'll pop over to Georgia and catch some. I feel like I can get pretty easily. Striper I can probably find. There you go.
Looking at it.
All right.
Where's that place you take us? What striper?
Oh, Juliet.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I catch striper. I like them to be decent size. I've been catching them. Yeah. I got some the other day.
Oh yeah, some here. So you can keep this one? Okay.
Nowhere by you, everywhere but to this boat. He was swimming towards you at first. I was wondering.
Oh, he coming around here.
That's big right I know, right? I was like, you went to pictures last week when we looked up and I didn't think it was long. Watch out for that. Come on, Red. One more. And he should be done. We get it. It's very strong.
Mm-hmm.
Too big to keep.
Mm-hmm. Big red. Big boy there.
Swallow it. That's the only one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think that fish knew what was happening either.
It came in and
You might not even figure it out.
You sure you're here? That was good. Might be cheaper.
Oh no, that's another big one there.
Gotta look at it.
There's another big one there. That one might be bigger.
We'll tighten that drag, but it's working so far. I ain't gonna mess with
Yeah.
it.
He don't want to come in.
You're supposed to be with his stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a big boy. Yeah. He getting the big ones.
That's what we found like second one.
Yeah. Oh goodness, that one's big. Big old red.
Come here. We're gonna take a picture and bring it back. Alright? I got a reason with it now. Here. Now.
Man, that's big. He is big. That's a big one. Look at that. Oh man. He's about 32 inches or so. shaking his head too. I'll be in the slot. Yeah, whatever he is. All right. Red there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alrighty.
How you got chicken? Cleaner. Uh-oh. That's what I think's wrong with Miami. They got too much drama. Yeah. Yeah. They got all kind of off the field.
He popped it once and then he came back.
They got some good ball players.
Yeah.
Sure.
Tyreek Hill.
You can't just be good. You got
He's got a bunch of kids.
You got a fish? You mean Marcus finally caught one? What is it?
Big red.
Big red.
Thanks, sir. Get us out
Got
this
him.
way.
Sir, but then in the slot? Big red.
I'm better than
20,
mine.
20, what'd you say?
They got it. It might be 22 and 3/4. That's what we need. I was going to drive away from there, but now I'm not. I'm going to drive right back up to that.
That was right in the little spot too, man.
You was just fixing to move, wasn't you?
I was in the process of moving.
22?
I need them to be 22 and 3/4.
He's in the slot?
No, he's over.
What?
Let me hold him up for a picture.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Tell lies on Facebook.
Huh?
Tell lies on Facebook. Got so many we had to throw them back.
Too many.
Hmm.
Good ball players.
It's on.
Tyreek Hill. How many baby now? I know you got a bunch of kids.
Is it lit?
Fish?
Yeah.
You mean Marcus finally caught one?
It's a red. Ah, goodness. Got it. Already. Sorry about that, bro.
In the slot?
Another big red.
20, 20, what'd you say? They got it. He might be 22 and 3/4. That's what There you go, Dad.
Get that big boy. Get him, brother Chris. How many? This is about number 5 there.
That's the big one right here. Oh, he came and his whole back was out the water and he nosed on the float.
Yeah. Bigger than the other ones?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
That one, we got to put a stop to this. Can't have this.
It's at least number 4 there, ain't it?
I think so. It's a big one.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. Oh, he said, nah, not yet.
Just playing. I was just joking. What's wrong with our 2 shrimp that floated over there that he didn't know? The shrimp has been dangling on the side of the boat for 5 minutes.
Brother Chris strikes again. See if this fish gonna give up. He don't want to give up. Ooh, big old red. So that came out the water.
another haul.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Hannah, we believe you catch a big one now.
Yeah.
We get it.
We catch all the big ones.
Take another break.
Got him! Big boy! Look at that redfish. This for all them people that
Now, I
didn't
know you
make
didn't
it.
just feed that fish over there.
This for all them people that didn't make it on this trip. Poor things. They could have been in the action here.
Yep. in my hand and the fish flopping on the other end.
Got it.
Got him. Fish a little credit. He's about to move? Yep. Well, hold that thought.
Yeah. Yeah, Alton. Get him, Alton. Mm-hmm. Get him, Alton.
Oh, he don't catch it.
I ain't want to run now. Another big one there. Oh, another big one. Oh, yeah, yeah, he's a big one, that one.
I don't know, that one might be in the spot. I don't know, that's a real good look at it.
I think he's about 30 inches down. I think he's about 30.
Just let me know that he is in fact not in the slot. He is not in the slot.
Oh man, he's big. It's another big one. Oh yeah, man! Good grief, good grief.
I only got a glimpse.
That's like that one. That's like that one I caught there. Big.
Yeah, that good. We get a picture of somebody else.
Yeah.
Oh, he ain't done.
Sweating a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, that was another one right there.
This was him.
Oh, God.
I know, it's hot.
Whoa.
Good redfish fight. Yeah. You know he had a bad day. That is a big red. Look at that red. Look at that red. All right, Alton. All right.
Dig in.
Big one, big one, big one.
Big red. Biggest of the day.
That's a good sheet.
Yeah, that was a good one now.
Thanks, sir.
All right. Yeah, that's a big one now.
Nice. Much appreciated. Balance. You got some waves. Lift.
Ah, man. I felt that. I kind of felt it there.
I
Yeah.
think he had already got you.
Ah, man. Oscar got me. Yeah, he did. Thank you, sir.
Bait stealing things.
Mm-hmm. Convict. Ah, man. That familiar feeling. Thank you, sir.
Oh, I gotta get that sheet. Right.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Big boy in the boat. Yes, sir. Okay. Caught on there. Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah, that's a good one there. That's about the biggest one today, ain't it?
Oh, get in.
Too low now. Yep. She good. Oh. Grow up and get big. Mm-hmm. Same one.
Hey, getting it down now. Got the feel for it.
Yeah, these low ones there, they just ain't trained too good yet. Oh, thanks, sir.
See that shrimp come up first?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he felt bigger when he first took off. He just barely got hit. I don't know if that was gonna do it or not. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh well. That's how they call it fishing. Oh man. I don't know if that's the same one or what. Thanks, sir. Yeah, let me hit that back. Line them up a little too far. Sheephead. Might have been that same green rascal. Just lost. Alright. Alright, brother Chris. Buy you that second. Oh man. See that shell? You know what time it is. Thanks, sir. All right. Good.
Make them all look so big.
Go ahead.
Open your mouth.
Oh! It might have been a rock there, because that still felt like a fish, though.
I thought you were right. Spot lock out. So here we go.
Run a few charters a week. I got no idea.
Easy money.
No idea.
A lot of work goes into it, but just a little.
My buddy Jesse, he's saying he didn't know what was worth it to do 3 hours.
Oh, yeah. Something here big. They're big. Oh, yeah, he's pretty big. Oh, man. Look at that big boy there. Yeah. Alright, now we're back to the dock there, but we got in the fish, turned out good. Put some on camera there, Austin. This is what we did, y'all. Y'all should have been here.
Yes, sir. Y'all missed one.
Yeah, Captain Marcus put us on the fish again.